Or at least, you know, here we are, 27th day, we're on Memorial Day weekend. The farmer's market. Gonna kind of walk along here. There's all kinds of raining out. There's lots of flowers. Kind of not a big turnout today, but we have lots of flowers. We have a little juice bar over here, you can tell. But you guys, I'm open mic'd. Figure what the hell. I better dump some pictures. It's the farmer's market, Minneapolis, right off of Glenwood. It's raining on Memorial Day. Kind of cut out the middleman instead of going to Home Depot or anywhere else. There's all kinds of different flowers here. I buy them from my mother all the time. Because it is Memorial Day, a lot of people buy these and go put them on people's men when the armed forces, also family members.
Radio baby with flowers and plants.
Fun stuff here. Oh yeah, look at this, you guys. Fresh eggs and the whole 9 yards.
We charge for video.
Tomatoes. What?
We charge for pictures.
Hot pepper jam.
Cheese or
Hot peppers jam. Oh my goodness.
yeah,
Look at that, you guys.
original
Oh my goodness.
horseradish.
No way. See, I'm not hot pepper.
It's not super
No,
hot.
I don't care. I'm a Nancy boy. No
All
way.
right, here. Shove this.
Strawberry jam, yes.
With rhubarb?
Yes, it's not hot, is it?
No, not even a little.
Oh my goodness, that's good. Oh my goodness, that is good, you guys. Oh my goodness.
You eat mushrooms?
No, I'm not a mushroom guy. Nope.
Beets?
No,
What do you eat?
I eat, but I like pickles too. But it's more of a. I'm just.
Garlic dill pickle, regular,
Oh.
with ghost peppers. Just kidding. Huh. You want cheese? You got cheese here. Good Bloody Mary pickles. You like cheese?
Yes.
Garlic and herbs. You like spice or no?
No.
Kojak. Hello, sir. Hello. How you doing? Pretty good. This we got Chipotle, smoked Swiss, horseradish,
Oh, you guys. All kinds of ones as well. Bunch of flowers. Lots of flowers. I'm not into the jams. We're gonna get into some more food down here momentarily. You can tell. California stuff, but cherries, strawberries.
Alright, $8. Have a good day.
Rhubarb. Bananas. Grapes.
Dollar blueberries and raspberries here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Taters. Carrots. Muffins. Beans. Those are good. Cutting out Cub Foods. Frozen tamales. Mama Jules.
How are you, young man?
Good, self.
Good, thank you.
Not into spice. My father-in-law would. He'd love this stuff.
All right.
Red butter pickles. There's even more stuff over here. Pushing their wares. They don't make a lot of money on that stuff. They make it decent, but you grow it, you can kind of tell it's, you know, it's actually got a bunch of stuff. Blueberries are being onions.
You want 2 raspberries? Oh, do we think we'll eat 2 raspberries? That's a lot of raspberries. It's a lot.
Lettuce.
Which is really good.
Cabbage.
But I also don't want them to go bad.
How about 2 sweet potatoes?
You know what I was thinking?
One sweet potato.
You know, we could get one of these nice small potatoes.
Yeah, they got it.
When we get this kind of you choose a raspberry.
Bananas. But got your rental bikes. Come work way back down over here. They do have some people over there on the other side. But as you can tell, tons of flowers. All-day weekend in Minnesota. Not a very big turnout, but it's raining outside. People will be coming. It's busy. Hanging flies look cool. Hanging baskets. Anyways, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.